Hi guys, hello everyone. During our short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to paint this lovely autumn mood illustration in Procreate, and we're gonna do it in a fast and simple way. For this art, I'm gonna grab all times brushes that I recently created, but of course feel free to use any brushes you want. So I created one more layer, and then I will go and grab my basic brush, which is basic watercolor. And about color palette, I am using the color palette from my newly created Skillshare class, which is about autumn vibes. So I decided to grab some inspiration from that class as well. And let's paint in a fast and simple way. Also, guys, the sketches, like the elements that I'm using during this class, I also took them from my Skillshare class. Here are the brushes that I prepared for my Skillshare class. We have some tapes, lots of sketches, and also some brushes that I prepared especially for this class. Like that. Um, let's grab almost white color for those small ropes. And next thing, we need to duplicate it, lower the opacity curves, one more layer above, clip it, go softly. And then I just want to add a little bit of shades to our art. I want to add some kind of like sharpness and old texture. Let's go to linear burn. I think it has more vibrant texture. You see, immediately we start having so many variations. Okay, now let's start adding our elements. And I think I want to add shades from our elements. Dark watercolor edges. Now we have the feeling like our objects are laying on a surface, not float somewhere. Now it's cool, very, very beautiful. You might add some stems as well. In this case, you need to go to another my set, ink and watercolor stamps here. Ta-da! Our lovely art is ready. Guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumb and let's see each other in the next one. Bye bye!